Do you really need very expensive equipment to create cinematic footage? No, it matters more what you do with it than the gear that you have. Hi, my name is Steven with droneon.eu, and today we're going to talk about creating cinematic footage with a smartphone and a gimbal. Now, not all moves require a gimbal, but some of them make it a lot easier, so you can do it with your smartphone alone as well if you want to. It's going to be a little bit harder to get those steady shots. Now the first shot I want to do is an opening establishing shot where I show off this beautiful forest here on a beautiful autumn day, and I'm going to reveal my son being the subject, and we are going to tell the story today of my son making a walk through this very nice forest on a sunny afternoon. So the first shot that I want to do is to create that opening shot with a tilt down reveal. So I want to shoot up at the sky, and then I want to tilt down to reveal my son actually walking in this forest. Now for the second shot I want to use the spin action that the Osmo Mobile 6 has to actually shoot up through the trees and give another shot of the beautiful surrounding here. So let's do that. So the next shot we want to do is to slide behind our subject to reveal the subject again in frame. So we are showing the nature, and then we're showing the subject walking through the nature scene here. Now the following scene that we want to shoot is actually handy when you do have a selfie stick or you have this extendable pole, because we're going to shoot all the way down and then we're going to follow our subject and just show the feet walking through the forest. So let's do that. The next shot that we can do is to look over the shoulder of the person, get the person in view and get their point of view on the surrounding as well. So let's do that one. So for the next two shots we're going to showcase the environment again. So I'm going to do a push forward to walk between the trees on the lane behind me, and the second one will be sliding amongst the trees to show from the side basically. So the next one I want to do is basically a combination of three moves where I will use the trees as a way to transition between the two different scenes. So I will move past the tree just by showing the nature, then I will come from behind the tree showing my son walking on the path. The next move you want to do is the Michael Bay move. which you see in a lot of Michael Bay movies, where he goes really down, he shoots up at the subject's face and then moves around that face. Now this is a good one to use active track or the focus track on the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 to keep the face exactly in the center without you having to worry too much about the framing of the shot. So for the next shot we're going to simulate that the person is going through the lens. So the person is going to walk into the camera, then we turn around and then we start from the back, pull away, and the person just walks away from the camera at that point. Another nice transition that we can do in the autumn season, of course, is using leaves and letting them fall in front of the camera, and then we do that a second time to get the transition between two different scenes. So the first one we do is I will go forward, I will put the leaves in front of it, and then I will go forwards again, and then we can transition to one of the other shots that we have taken. The leaves were a bit sticky, so we'll see how that works out. Now we still have one final shot to do, and that is to have the exit shot. What's the end of the nice walk here in the forest? And that is going to be a reverse reveal shot. So I'm going to start low and then I'm going to pan up to reveal the forest canopy again. And all in all, doing the different shots, taking them several times to make sure that we have the correct shot that we can use. It only took us about an hour to get all of these shots on camera. Here is the final result. So there you have it. This was the result. I hope you liked it. If you have some interesting moves yourself that you've been using, please comment it below the video here so I can learn from you guys as well, of course. And as always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you click that little bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drone on.